In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about using Google Keep to take your notes quickly and efficiently. Whether you're jotting down a grocery list or organizing your thoughts for a project, Google Keep is a fantastic tool that you might already have access to with your Google account. So let's dive in and explore how you can start using it right away. First, we need to navigate to Google Keep. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, which is keepgoogle.com. Alternatively, you can go to Google's main page and find Google Keep under the Apps menu if you're logged into your Google account. Once you're on the Google Keep main page, you'll be welcomed by a clean, straightforward interface that's designed to help keep your notes organized. Now let's talk about how to create a new note. It's quite simple. From the main page of Google Keep, at the top of the screen, you will find a text box that says, "Take a note." Simply click on this box. This is where the magic begins. You'll immediately see options to add a title to your note and, of course, the body of your note itself. This is your space to start typing whatever you need to. Once you've clicked Take a Note, you can enhance your note with bullet points for better organization. This is particularly useful if you're making lists or outlining ideas. To create bullet points, you can use a quick keyboard shortcut. By pressing Shift and the number 8 key simultaneously, you'll produce an asterisk, which we'll use as a bullet point here. After typing the asterisk, press Space and your bullet point is ready. You can then continue typing the necessary information. This simple trick can help your thoughts look clearer and more organized on the screen, turning a jumble of text into a neatly arranged list. If you're someone who loves keeping things visually appealing or differentiated, you can change the color of your notes for easy identification. Simply look for the color palette icon at the bottom of your note before you exit the editing mode. Selecting different colors can help categorize your tasks or ideas, providing a visual cue that makes finding your notes quicker. Once you've completed typing your note and are satisfied with the format, you can simply click away from the note and it will automatically save. Google Keep's autosave feature is a lifesaver that ensures you never lose your thoughts, even if you accidentally close your browser or move on to something else. And there you have it. You've just created a note in Google Keep with bullet points and maybe even some color coding. It's a straightforward process, but one that can significantly enhance your productivity and organizational skills. So go ahead, give it a try, and start organizing your thoughts better with Google Keep today.